This is our Platinum Channel paper trading portfolio built around swing trading program that we've been working on for the past 2 years that I think will blow your mind. We have been able to produce thus far this year, we're into the 44th week of this year, and this swing trading portfolio has produced a rate of return thus far this year of 279.89%. I know that's outlandish and I know it's hard to believe, so I need to prove it to you. Okay? This is what our swing trading platform people see every Monday morning. It basically started on this year. As I say, we've been doing it for 2 years, on January the 4th of 2024, and we made recommendation of these 10 stocks that were setting up, that the technical analysis was setting up that we could make some rate of return, and our average rate of return on each stock is a little over 2% per week. Okay, you'll understand that as I take you through this. Such as we are suggesting that you as a swing trader should consider Berkshire Hathaway, Win Research, Match Group, MetLife, and you can see them, 10 stocks. We're telling you their ticker symbol so that you can find them on your charting program. What today's price is, this is not a buy price. This is the price that as we are looking at it, saying that this is where we think we would like to buy into it. And we suggest you take a look at it on your charts on that basis. So these are the dates that we are considering entering these. So we're giving you opportunities throughout the week. Okay, and then we're telling you what the support level is and what the resistance level is. And so we've given you tutorials to explain all this to you so it's clear in your mind as to what we are basically suggesting. The UBB is the upper Bollinger Band. That is the resistance in several of these. And then we're also showing prices of resistance. Then you do your trade. Now I'm going to show you, everybody's going to do a different trade because everybody has a different amount to invest, but we're building this on 100 shares of each stock. You may not have $36,000 to invest in Berkshire Hathaway. You may only have $3,000. So you determine your amount of purchase based upon your investment strategy and your budget to invest. So then let's look at the results of the first week. We can see that we had a gain in share price on Berkshire Hathaway of 1.18% or $4.23. We had a 14% gain in what is that? The Math Group, and made $5.13. But we don't hit on all of them. We actually had a 1.57% loss on C.H. Robinson, and we had a 47% share or 0.87% loss on Every. How did that loss occur? It hit our stop loss trigger, which we teach you how to set up so that you never lose more than whatever your stop loss is, and we suggest that to you in each of the trades. So that week, based on 100 shares of each of these stocks, this swing trade week made $1,421. Now, if you're only buying 10 shares, you would have made $142.10 in the week on your investment. So you understand a week's investment. Let's look at 44, the results after 44 weeks. And we come down here, and after 44 weeks, we have had 304 trades. The average trade was for $151, and the price per those trades, what we're doing is multiplying the 304 times the 151, and we had invested $45,968. Again, if you aren't buying 100 shares and you're only buying 10 shares, you bought on average $4,596 in the week. So that gave us a total return per trade of 2.5%. So if I then come down here and say, okay, I don't have the capability of buying 100 shares per trade, I can only buy 10. So I start with an investment portfolio of multiplying my 10 times 151 of $1,512.12. Now, if I followed those trades, today I'd have $4,232. My portfolio would have grown by 297%. And then I go through and show you, if you trade 30 shares, you're going to start with a portfolio, a trading portfolio of 30 times 151 of $4,536, which now would be worth $12,696.91, or 279.89% return on your investment. That's how it works. Is it right for you? I don't know. I don't know that you know. So that's why I'm saying take advantage of our 14-day trial. I don't want to bring you into something and you say, I'm just not comfortable with this. I don't have the time. One of the things we've done, most swing trading platforms basically put you through a course, and they teach you how to do it so you can spend your time to identify the stocks that you want to trade in on a week-to-week basis. What I've discovered is most of our traders don't have the time to do that. So they need some suggestions. They need to be pointed every Sunday night or Monday morning towards what stocks should I consider. And that's what we do. Such as this past week, we could only find 2 stocks that we thought you should consider. And you were notified of those on the 28th. And we told you where your resistance level was and where your support level was. We suggested you put in your stop loss, and then you made those trades. If you would have done that, you would have lost money on Charter, and you would have made money on Martin Marietta. You would have made 1.81% on Martin Marietta, and you would have lost, because your stop loss took you out, 0.66%, but you would have net gained, if you had done 10 shares, you would have made $81 that week. The week before, again, 10 shares, you would have made $280. This is not a get-rich scheme in 1 week, okay? It's make money every week. You can see the green boxes. You make money every week. You aren't losing there. Where there was a week, wait a second, I stand corrected. That was the week of June the 10th. You lost $176 on your trade. But here you can see we consistently are making money as we do our trades. I see we didn't get our totals here. I'll take care of that. But this is our program. I don't want you to just go in blind. I want you to take 14 days, do it on paper trade, see if it's working for you, see if it fits your lifestyle. That's important. I'm not asking you to. If you want, at some point, most of our participants say, I can do this on my own, and I don't need Mark's suggestions every morning. That's okay. If I can teach you how to fish, you can eat every day. Okay? That's what we want to do. And as your portfolio grows in size, your returns each day will grow in size, and you will amass a fortune. Again, contemplate that you could make 279.89% each year on your initial investment, and then it grows and it grows, and you have a skill. You have a skill like a brain surgeon has a skill, and he makes more money each year. Except he only can make money from his work. This is where you create a skill, your pot grows, your return continues, and it just keeps growing. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer, I'm a retired financial advisor. This was not available to me in 2005 when I got out of the financial planning business. This has only become available with the availability of big data, the access of big data. Now we plug in artificial intelligence and we just keep getting better because the access to the data, the interpretation of the data, the accuracy of our algorithms gets better. Now when we get into machine learning, I don't know what our rate of return will be in 2026. It kind of scares me. Kerry Grinkmeyer, take advantage of the free trial and give yourself the opportunity to change your life and the lives of those around you.